Hi all, welcome to my channel TechInfoDeal. Today we are going to learn how to download images from any particular website using Python. So for today's example, I'm going to show you how to download all the images which are available on this techinfodeal.com website. So for this tutorial, I have already created one image downloader.py script. So let me open this script in PyCharm editor and show you all the steps which is required to download all the images. So you can see the script is open. Now let me open this file as in project. So in order to download all the images, we need these four modules. So before that, you have to install these modules in your local environment. So how you can download it? Just to in your terminal, just type pip install and the module name and press enter. It will install the required module in your local environment. And this the first one RE is used for regular expression, then CSS util request is to request get the content from website, and then beautify soap is used to parse the HTML content. So here I'm defining the website name from which I'm going to extract all the images, and in the response I'm storing the site information here. And in the soap beautify soap, I'm parsing the HTML content of this website. And in the image tag, I'm finding all the tags which are start with image. What is that? Let me go to the website and right click on this and go to view page source. And here if you search for image, you can see this is tag image tag. So it will go to all these image tag and extract the source. This is the source of the image, so it will go there. And we have another kind of images also stored, which is background images. So we have to download those images as well. So for that I put soap.findAll, and a is another tag which is used for background images. Let me show you the background images as well. So here you can see under a tag, these is also images like python scripts.jpg. So with the help of the first find all image tag, these images will not going to be downloaded, so we need a separate way to download these images. So I'm passing this a tag, and then the class is course image. So here you can see a is the tag name, and then class is course image. So it will extract all the a tag which has the course image class. And in the urls, for all the image tags, I'm storing the source in urls. So now this urls object contains the source means here in the image tag, if you see this source, so this complete s src will be stored under urls object. Now I'm looping through for each background images, and in the background images I'm extracting the style. If you see the background images, we have style. So first we have extracted a class course image, then extracting style. So here you can see style, and then with the help of CSS utils, we are parsing the style. You can see the parse style, then we are passing ds, means style will be parsed using this. And from style we are extracting the background image. So if you see under background image, we have the actual URL. So the motive is, final motive is, we need this content, images hyphen python scripts. So we can see after this is the URL, and we are replacing the blank spaces and extra spaces here. And then these are the main URLs where we have added all the image tag URL. And now under URLs we are appending all the different URLs. Now we have another loop, URL in URLs, and here we are searching all the images like JPG, GIF, PNG. So why we are searching this? Because we are going to create the file name as per available, like here from under the images we have python hyphen scripts. So we are extracting this file name. So here you can see, and if we don't find any file name, then we are displaying the message that regular experiment did not match any URL. And now we are creating the file with the help of this with open WB. So here you can see response.request.get URL, and then f.write response.content. So this will store, download the images and store in our local machine. After that, we are printing the message that all images download successfully. Now you can see here we have only image downloader file is there. Now let me try to run this script. Here you can see I have click on run, and let me show you here. Here you can see all the images are downloaded successfully. You can see with the same name, Python scripts, SQL tutorials. And if you go to the PyCharm, you can see all images downloaded successfully. So in today's tutorial, we see that how to download all the images. Either the image are with image tag or the image is stored at background image. So we have seen this in tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and keep like and subscribe in order to get more similar videos. Thank you.